Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm super excited to walk you through the JIRA Portfolio Epic Workflow that I customized myself. If you're looking to streamline your project management and enhance your team's efficiency, you're in the right place. I based this workflow on the Scaled Agile Framework, ensuring it covers everything from the funnel stage to the done stage. With this video, I just show you the workflow in general. If you want to know how I customized it, I walk you through in another video, which I will link in the description. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the funnel stage. This is where all potential ideas and initiatives enter the workflow. Think of it as a giant catchment area for all your team's brilliant ideas. Here, the Epic owner starts by capturing high-level details and ensures it's worth pursuing. Once an idea makes it through the funnel, it moves into the review stage. In this phase, the team evaluates the Epic's feasibility. Stakeholders review the idea to ensure it aligns with the strategic goals. It's like giving your ideas a second look before any resources are committed. Next, we have the analyzing phase. Here, we dig deeper. Detailed requirements are gathered, potential risks are assessed, and a preliminary plan is developed. The Epic owner plays a crucial role, coordinating with various team members to ensure all aspects are covered. Moving on, we enter the implementing phase. This is where the real action happens. The development team starts working on the Epic, breaking it down into smaller tasks and sprints. Regular check-ins and updates keep everyone on the same page. Progress is closely monitored and any blockers are addressed promptly. Finally, we reach the done stage. Here, the Epic is reviewed one last time to ensure all acceptance criteria are met. Once verified, it's marked as complete and added to the portfolio backlog. Success! And there you have it, a comprehensive, easy-to-follow JIRA Portfolio Epic Workflow inspired by the Scaled Agile Framework. By using this workflow, you can ensure that every idea is thoroughly vetted, analyzed, and executed efficiently. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.